Yo! Ladies and gentlemen, I have returned. Welcome back to the streamer. Woo! Hope you guys are all having a good day. Oh, are you guys ready to make some real good games? I am, for sure. Today we're gonna actually do what the title says. We're gonna add rare items. Because we didn't do that yesterday. Actually didn't get to that. And for those, sorry that I'm late. I had to work. I've got a lot of stuff on work that I needed to fix. Telling you guys, I'm still rolling this sick train.
Thank you if
it's annoying.
66 for 5,000 bits.
But hopefully tomorrow it's gonna be better. Right? Yo, you guys, in main return 0 Capuchman. Iffy, how you guys doing? Good morning, Eritas. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello! Yo! I saw some really good news, guys, off stream. Here you go. I got an email that Bean Beasts released. The offer ends August 28th, so about a week. And I think it released literally today. We played the demo. I liked the demo. We played it actually, I think we played it for 1.5 hours, so really good time. The only problem that I had with the demo back then was that the upgrades felt quite generic. So, for example, a crossbow would get more damage, more damage, more damage. And then you could choose between fire or I think it was something else, I forgot. But I chose fire. So like a fire upgrade, but which was essentially just more damage. So, time to buy it? I don't think we should buy it, but we could inspect how it's going. How about that? Let me see. So, Bean is available. I'm gonna click the link. Can I show you the email without leaking anything?
Hi.
Maybe? See store page. I mean, why not? I wonder, like, this is from Steam though, right? So that's a generic Steam email, or do you craft these yourself, guys? I don't want to leak anything. I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared. Labels. I don't want to leak anything at all, bro. Please don't leak me. Please don't leak me. Oof. So this is the email. Do you screenshot the mail? It is how it is. This right here is the email that I got. Is this something you craft yourself? Hello, Mr. Rames. How you doing, my man? Or is this something that Steam sends automatically? Defeat monsters hordes alongside. I feel like you craft these, right? See store page. Hello, Mr. Cakez. And then you're receiving this email because the item is on your wish list.
No skill, no original ideas, balloons, steal a bastard, no clue, no knowledge, no games released, no good text, no code.
Clean inbox?
React, Andy, fuck off, stop.
Yeah, I cleaned it up the other day. Actually, on my first day here, I think I cleaned it up. See, like, this is already the power of working not at home. I finally got to clean this up, yes. Okay, let's see. I've not clicked on this before. See Steam page. Let's see. And now I'm gonna close the email. Good. Oh my god, no. Wait. Wait a minute. This is lagging. That's good. Is it good though? Uh-oh. Maybe. Support a small creator. A fellow game dev.
Countdown to next bad take. 30 seconds.
Oof. Delete them all, yeah. Hey, Giant, my man. Hello, Yova. How you good doing, man? And Mr. Teacup as well. If you hate cakes... okay, so I played your game yesterday and now you hate me. Okay, good stuff. I see. Man. I mean, how long has this been out for? Let me check from when I got the email. It can't be too old. So again, I think the game can ramp up when it hits the 10 review point. For 2 hours ago. So wait, it's 2 hours ago. I'm pretty sure it's gonna ramp higher. How much do you think it's gonna ramp to, guys? If this released 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. That's 2 hours ago. You're lying, bro. That is 3 hours ago, actually. Has nothing to do with reviews? Bro, what you talking about? Even this guy says that after 10 reviews, Steam puts you in the algorithm, which is it is a safe point against cheating. What you talking about, bro? Huh? So the first 10 reviews is you gotta get that through your wish list. Let's see, 3 euros a review. So what are they saying? 70.7 hours. So that is 70% of an hour. I hate that so much. So 40 minutes. Goodness. Bean Beats is an amazing game. Such a huge fan. This guy got it for free. Can't pet the frog. Sorry for the spoiler. So, how much is it? I want to support it. That's like, it's a bit much, bro. I mean, played it already, and I don't have time to play it, so I would just buy it to write a review. I don't know, bro. You can miss one kebab. 24 positive reviews on the demo. Online now 10. Yeah, that's a boost from the release. Yeah, it is. Yeah, before the release it ramped up. You see that? That's the players before the release, and then before this was... Yeah, that looks like my demo. She's dead. I wonder why that is. So that I find that interesting. Why is tower defense... I don't think tower defense is dead. But he's made it... I would say... Like, that's so odd. Really. How? Wait, can I... Bro, put me the link here. Oh, never mind. Like this. Never mind. Sorry. Wrong click. Like, why is this happening here? Look at this, guys. It's like barely any players. Not a hot princess, but a blue frog. You think so? So, I need a princess, huh? With big boobies? Sir Lunchalot, appreciate the following, man. Good morning. Hello, Cakez on YouTube. How you doing, man? Guys, I do not have the time to play it today, but I can play it tomorrow. I'll try to play it tomorrow. If he doesn't have 10 reviews by tomorrow, I'll play it tomorrow, okay? I do not have the time for it today. I've got too much stuff to do. It's already... it's not a bad... No, it's not a bad game. Like, the game itself, I feel, is good. I think I like the effects a lot, you know? Like, he definitely has way better effects than me. Right? So, wait, guys. Like, compare these effects to mine, please. Okay, like, objectively. Objectively. Please, objectively. Who has better effects? He has, right? What do you think? Is? Yeah, right. 40 concurrent users isn't bad, though. It might pick up today. Yeah, it might pick up when it gets into the 10 review mark, bro. And okay, let's say you say that there is no 10 review mark, right? So what is your opinion for that? Or what is your argument that there are no 10 review marks, huh? Explain that to me. Hi, everyone. I'd like to work while listening to the stream in the background. Is it okay with you, Cakes? No, please leave. Okay, go somewhere else. I don't want you working in the background. What are you talking about, bro? This is not allowed here. Hello, Diamond. How you doing? He made it the fuck up? Yeah, he did, right? Because he's lying. Right now it's low steam hours. It'll be better in 3 hours. Then slows down, picks up. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know. Right now is low. I know, because right now is... Yes, like the traction is low. Is that what you're talking about? I don't think VFX looks bad, but it looks a little bit more polished. But his looks a little bit more polished. You can polish yours a bit more later if you feel like they aren't good enough. Yeah. His is more modern and flashy. During US hours, it will likely hit during training. Okay, anyways, so, okay. Here's what I'll do as my first contribution. How many do we have? Like 76 viewers. Okay, here, guys. Hello. If you want to support him and you want to test out the game, play the game, and support him now's your chance. I don't have the time today, but oh, he's broadcast. Is he streaming? Oh, that's Asmongold playing it. Yeah, I see. That's the broadcast of you know, when the game was featured and Asmongold played it. I want to see the YouTube video. Yeah, anyways, I'm looking at the effects again. I always get distracted. Stop. Okay. Let's go back. Where is it? Bean Beasts store. 40 people in game. Why is it now 1 user review? So he currently only has 1 user review. I wonder how fast it goes to 10. What do you guys think? Hi everyone. I'll do some listening while listening to the stream in the foreground. Is it okay with you, Cakez? Never mind. Bean Beast effects looks better because it was made in Unity. It's that simple. Yeah, there's no way. You're lying. But no, that's a dumb reason. Because you know why? Because you have more options in your own. Anyways, fine. We're gonna look at this later, guys. Tower defense game. We now also have a number. Look at this, guys. I think we saw that yesterday, right? 360,000. I wonder if it's at actually already at 400k now. So almost 400k earned with their game. And that is an investment of 10 months. That's crazy. But it was by 3 people, so we'll see though later. We're gonna read this. How much is it to get an over? Oh god, that's a lot. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of reading, and I'm gonna disagree with him again, and people will call me an idiot again. But hey, it is how it is. Okay. Last time I disagreed with him, I think I was right. Hey, I still think I'm right the way I disagreed. And yeah, this is what I had to deal with today. This is JavaScript, and then we had a fucking PHP tag inside the fucking JavaScript. And some echo and some oh my god. This is what I have to deal with. And you can't really debug this shit. I hate it. So annoying. Anyways. That's what I have to deal with after the stream, by the way. It's gonna be fun. A lot of fun. Good morning, Mr. 10x developer. Good morning, Cakez. You started? Are you coalescing queue implementation in your game? Hi, Free God. How you doing on YouTube? Good morning. It's all in one file? No, the problem is that it's not all in one file. You have a file. See, like, this is the crazy thing. You have a file that is called... I can't say too many things, right? But a file that prepares the data. And in that file, it is called the manager for that particular thing. And inside the manager, you have database connections and HTML built up. So it builds HTML and it gathers data at the same time. And then it stores that in a PHP variable, and then that PHP variable is used in another file, which is then referencing that dumb variable. And so you have like this loose variable in the other file, in the PHP tag, that is completely disconnected from the entire file. It just sits there in the file. It's the only reference. And then the file that was actually preparing the data has the variable. And the variable is gray, because the IntelliSense thinks that the variable is not used, because it's not used in the file. It's used in a different file. It's insane. Like, how could someone code that? I just do not understand how these people manage to write that application. It does not make any sense to me. Oh
Am
my
I so
God.
out of touch?
You know,
No.
Sturdy post
my
just
man, I
subscribed.
appreciate the support.
2 years Cakez 7 where am I stuck in sunk cost fallacy? Chat? Send help. He's got a grasp on me. It's too dark and moist here. All I can see is Twitch chat on my phone. I want to see my family. He barely releases me from basement.
Everything is global scope. No, the way this works is that... I think the way this works is, I haven't looked at the code entirely, but let's call the file where the data sits alone the child file. I think the child file is requiring the parent file, and since it's requiring the parent file, it's like a copy paste into the child file, and therefore the child file knows about the variable up there. And since it's up there, the parent file doesn't know about the child file, but the child file does know about the parent file. I think. I have not looked at the code yet in too great detail, but that's what I think is happening. Discovering her requirements. So, like, if you ask me, shouldn't it be all PHP in the background and all JavaScript in the front end? Is that, guys, for those of you who have, like, I have not done this long enough, right, to know for sure, because I've only dealt with this crap. Shouldn't it be in a proper application that you only have JavaScript in the front end, not a single PHP line? So you only operate on data that you get in? Should that be? Or is that too... I was thinking about this, right, while I was going through this. It should be... Like, if I only operate on data, like, there's no way that... We run TypeScript in the front end and back end. Is wrong. The mullet stack? Yes. I think so, right? That's why frameworks are basically essentials. Cakez, Imager, MP4. Oh, what is this now? The preview of this. Brother. The fucking preview of this is a pipe. You think that I'm gonna click on that? Absolutely not. I'll not click on this. I should ban you for that, actually. How do you get PHP data to the JavaScript frontend? I came here because of your avatar. How do you get PHP data to the frontend? You send it to the frontend. I think in PHP it's an Ajax. Is it? Or no, wait. You do a request in JavaScript. Then the request has a response. The response has the data. And inside the response, the data is... I got you, Cakez. Thank you. Appreciate that. So then that is not on me. I appreciate that a lot, bro. So you basically you do a call to the backend. The backend handles the call that you do. Then it prepares the data. It sends you the data. Then you get backend data. Let's say it's an array of what is it? Not consumables, like items that you can buy in a store. And so you just iterate over the items and you display them. That's it. And then maybe there's an ID or something that you send with the data, and then when you click on an item, you click buy, it sends
Glad
the buy
to be
operation
back to my
together with the
favorite
ID to the
Vulcan
backend,
stream.
and the backend
Please
is like,
keep your
gotcha.
functions shorter than 5
And
lines.
obviously, before it says the gotcha, it makes sure that there's no SQL injection or some bullshit happening. So it's all happening on the backend, and you can do whatever you want on the front end because it doesn't have any sensitive data. Many times your backend has to generate custom JavaScript to send to the client. See, like, why? Like, I see that use case, right? But I question why. Can I not generate or have a... Can I not do that on the front end? Like, I get data, and depending on the data that I have predefined templates, or I just say, I grab a div here, I grab a div there, and then I build that on the front end. Why do I need to do that on the back end? Anyways, so I think the use case that I have is impossible to not have a clear... Like, it is possible to have a clear distinction between back and front end. So only JavaScript on the front and only... Because I've written an application like that for the company before. It was completely separated. There was not a single PHP line in the front end. And it worked really well, actually. And it was only PHP in the back end, only JavaScript in the front end. I loved it. It was nice. Anyways... That's enough. That's enough. Roster King, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for following. Was it maintainable? Oh, it's awesome. I loved it because I knew the moment I went into JavaScript, the only thing that could happen in JavaScript is I look at the data that I receive. And then, since I know the data that I receive, I can actually, since I'm in development mode, I can go through the JavaScript code one by one and debug that. And it's only JavaScript debugging. I could actually debug it. And then in the backend, I would only debug the PHP code. And then the moment I send the data, that's when I look at the data. I'm like, okay, so that is the data that I sent, and that's the data I received. Okay, great. So then the error is not here. It happens in the front end. It was so easy, man. Ah, you don't believe it? You lie. Okay, bro. Now imagine you're on full stack and someone on the front and back end, and has someone on front and back. Listen, man, I don't care about the reasoning. It just pisses me off. It was so annoying to deal with because you can't really debug it. It's so weird. You debug PHP files that have JavaScript in them, or you debug JavaScript files that have PHP in them. And depending on what is easier to debug, the file extension is PHP or JavaScript. What the hell, man? It's like toss a coin. Oh, this is gonna be JavaScript. And then toss a coin again. Okay, so this PHP extension. What the hell, bro? Anyways, okay, let's move on.
I don't like self-promoting stuff. So if I receive downloads or this gets removed, I can totally understand that.
Typically,
However,
old school PHP style, you would generate an assignment statement into JavaScript, into a JavaScript variable like my var.
To sell non-existent products and fool you into buying.
Yeah, and the script tag echoes that. Yeah, I know.
Stop. And the best way to do that is
I've
to
seen the echo
awareness.
today multiple times. Echo data. I know, and then I needed to inspect the fucking data and to understand why it's disabled. And I was like, oh great, there's not a single function in this damn JavaScript file that says disable these. Anyways, love it. You know what the greatest part about all of it is? There's not a single person that can help me. I just have to figure it all out myself. Nice. It's like it's like learning C++. But with an already existing application in C++, and not a single person is there to tell you why they did what they did. Yeah, those are difficult to debug, I know. It's annoying. Stop talking over welcome message. I didn't even hear that, sorry. Can't wait to make my unwritten code that starts in a file, goes to BP, then back to another file, although that has some use cases. Hey, my man, if it works for you. He's blabbering for 25 minutes because someone uses echo in a PHP. Bro, you wanna get banned again? I feel like banning you again, bro. Because this time it's gonna be me. Okay, so let's actually... Uh-oh. Oh, almost leaked work. Yikes. Almost leaked work. So today I want to start with something cool before we read the Gnomes article. And I want to do actually what the title says. I want to add new items. Magic and rare items. We only have, if we cheat ourselves some money, we only have green items here. Which... Huh? What the hell? Why do I not hear any sound? So, huh? What the hell? The game does not have any sound. Okay. What the hell? Oh, now it does. No, the sound effects don't have any sounds. Uh-oh. Uh-huh. So, wait a minute. It's probably because of this. Does it go in here? Let's test. No, it's probably this if condition. It is. Oh my god, I'm so retarded. It's insane. If there's a sound effect... I'm sorry for the wording. I apologize. I'll be better. Holy, that's so dumb. I needed the and check here. Oh, I was so stupid. I was keeping this... Wait a minute. So, I want... the playtime... You know what? Oops. Let's call this... const float play time is this, right? The timer minus the start, the playtime. Last playtime. So this is the start time and the timer. So wait, so the timer is greater than the playtime because the timer, when the playtime gets set, it gets set to the timer. And the timer increases, so the playtime can only grow. And I want the playtime to be, if the playtime is greater than 15 seconds, then I want to assert, excuse me, playtime needs to be less than 15 seconds and put in the error text. Sound has been playing longer for, yeah, I guess. But we could also do SM assert false here. Because we already know what this says. Okay, yeah. Now that should hopefully fix it. And we can hear that again. Push to Steam and test it out, Cakez. I don't want to push something to Steam that doesn't work, bro. And then I get even less players than I have. I think I have like 1 player, bro. Look. Tangy TD. Maybe 0. You see? 0. There's barely any players. We gotta ramp up the game, you know? Gotta make the Steam page better, bro. But I think it has to do with mostly with number 1. If I look at the Bean Beasts situation here, right? Let's say to the left is the game, and let's open the demo page to the right. I think this has mostly to do with maybe my traditional tower defense game just looks like a traditional tower defense game on the store page, and it doesn't invite players to play it because there's no spin on it that they can see out of the right immediately when looking at the trailer. So we gotta update the trailer soon, but in order to do that, we first need to make more game progress. Let's see here. Still haven't played. Oh, it works. Cool. Finally, it works. Good. Okay, so I want to get new items. And I want to start with a cool looking bow. I feel like we don't have enough bows and crossbows. I want to build a bow and a crossbow. And I want to see how fast it is to add in new items into the game. Starting from like basically nothing. Well, not really nothing, because we already have one crossbow. We can use that as the first one. Here, like that. And essentially, let's do... let's start with the crossbow. I want to build a steel crossbow. If you merge two crossbows together, you get a steel crossbow. And then we decide... Oh, never mind. The grid settings. How much was it? 16 off, right? There we go. Been quite busy around here. Hey, that's totally fine. Don't worry about it. I've got enough feedback for this version to continue making work on the game and making good changes. We've gotten enough feedback. There we go. Cool part is about all of these things. We can just reuse all of it. There we go. So that's the animation. Doesn't really do much. But I feel like it looks bad. Are you still planning to compile to WASM? So mean like making a web build? Yes, Maria. I don't know how to do it yet. And when to do it, I'll probably do it after next week. So that would be the 1st, starting on the 1st of September. That would probably be a good time to start. All right, guys, let's make a steel crossbow. How do we make that steel looking? We can obviously change the color, but I would also like to change the shape a little bit, make it a bit thicker, a bit bigger. Oops. So let's see. Let's give it like some boost here, like that. I think that like, makes it more manly. Look at this. Shift 1. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at this. Damn, that looks like smaxy here. Look at this. Damn. Oh, I like that. Maybe this? What do you guys think? Is that a nice shape? It's bulked, exactly. Like this guy went to the gym. And then we'll do that. Copy the half part. Wait, never mind. First we need to delete this part here. Boom. And we get that. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Wow, that's nice. And then we put that into... we need a cool color that makes it look shiny. Maybe that? B. Or let's make it all this color, and then we just do a couple of dots. B, right? I don't know. I feel like that does not look like some shiny stuff. Doesn't really look too shiny, does it? Looks like a mustache. Yeah, well, it's not done yet, bro. Just wait. Okay. You're gonna have some patience here. Ooh, yeah. Look at that, boys. Now that. Some good stuff. Do we do the entire thing here? I think that kind of breaks it. But then, again... Cakes that part blends to hold tension right. Bends to hold tension right. Bro, it doesn't need to make sense physically, okay? Don't care. Don't come here with physics, okay? Don't tell me about that. Hey. I think that's good. Let's try to make it maybe shiny at the top here. Ah. I think that looks nice. Actually, what do you guys think? Snoopy, thank you very much for following, man. Needs a little sparkle glisten. What is a sparkle glisten? What does that mean? Excuse me. Nice. I think it looks okay. Let's test some colors for the handle. Maybe brighter. Share the playlist, bro. Do we have a playlist command, Mr. Abif? No. I mean, that's not that bad. Ooh. Oh, and then we do a... I mean, that'll be in game, right? But still, look at that. My brothers, look at this. Oh, yeah. Ah, that one's a bit... not too sold on that. With the outline now. We could make it less oops. Could make it less prominent. And I feel like this has got to be longer. Ah, what do you guys think? On a scale of 1 to 10? What's your opinion? Huh? Be honest. On a scale of 1 to 10. Shit. Huh? Looks like an X. It looks like an X! Damn it! 4? What you mean 4? 8? Hey, appreciate that, man. 6 out of 10 pickaxe. Looks like a pickaxe, I know, yeah. Shit. I mean, maybe because this is not thick enough. Watch. If we make that thick. Like some real thickness here. Watch this. That's gotta be it. I mean, it's not done yet. That's even worse! Oof, okay, never mind. Add a path for the arrow. When's the last time I saw a crossbow? Ah, come on, man. I can do a crossbow, watch. Fine, I'll do another one. I'll do one again. I'll start fresh. B. I'll start fresh. How do I turn on symmetry? How does that work? Is there like a hotkey for this? I've never used that before. Frame. Sprite. Hey guys, where's symmetry? Yeah? Top part, just change the top part, lol. Yeah, what do you mean? Change the top part to what? Okay, wait, we'll try. Maybe it just needs to... Okay, wait. Look at crossword pictures. I don't need to look at crossword pictures, bro. How does no one in chat know how to do symmetry? You guys are all flukes. You're just pretending to know. Okay, wait. I know what to do. Good.
Am I so out of touch?
Get rid of this.
No.
Dustin Yost is gifting 1 sub to the community.
And then we'll add... Yo, my man, I appreciate the support, bro. Oh, we're getting there. Let's get rid of this for now. The highlight. But then it needs to be thinner. I think the problem is that it's too thick. Right? Let's make it thinner. Shit. That was bad. Yeah. View symmetry. Oh, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you. Guys, we'll figure this out, okay? It's fine. It'll work. Better. We need to have like an indent here. I wonder how I do that with this. Cakez. You can't ban me anymore. I'm sub now. Justin, I appreciate you gifting a sub to buff this, please. Why did you do that? Guys, it'll work. Just wait. It'll work. It'll even look good. Just wait. Let me cook. No, that's bad. That was bad. Just give me a sec. This is too thick, I think. So this entire thing here, I feel like it needs to move. Oops, it needs to move up. One more. Yeah, that's it. Or see. Oh yeah. Okay, now we just gotta get rid of this nipple here. That's terrible. Now, guys, you can't tell me that this is not a good looking crossbow. Right? Or should I just get rid of this entire thing? Oh. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Wait a minute. Oh! Wait, does that work? What if we do that? I was sure to pick... No! There's no way you think this is a pickaxe. Right? No. It leads a little sparkle off to the side. What do you mean sparkle? Like this? Yeah? I mean, we can give it a tiny bit of sparkles here and there. Guys, I think this is... Stretch the string into... Yeah, but this is supposed to be the base, my friend. This is the base. Does a pickaxe make a good crossbow? This is not a pickaxe. How can you do pickaxing stuff with this? I want to see you try, bro. Maybe one with a crank? Oh, I see. The wood goes over the whatever that is called here. So what you're saying is
to yourself and do not help them.
It looks like this. Aha. Okay, so now we need to work on the wood. How can we make that look better? The handle could be narrower towards the bottom. Cakez imager. No, you did. No. This is fabricated. Oh, no, wait. I thought you took... Wait, I thought... No, wait. Wait, I misunderstood. It's not real. No. Sorry, but this crossbow looks ass. That looks like a pickaxe, man. Dig. It's called dig. It's a pickaxe? Yes. That's what it is. See, I told you. Okay, you guys are saying... I feel like I need 3 pixels for that. In order to build that. I'll try. I got you guys. Watch. We can do it. It's simple. It's actually
so
easy
out of touch?
as hell.
No.
Dustin Yost is gifting 1 sub to the
Yo,
community.
my man. I appreciate that. Now that sucks a little bit if we go down like that. Appreciate that a lot, man. Thank you very much for gifting us up to the community. To Anthorois. Guys, I feel like I used the wrong color. Is this really in between? No. I need to use a different brown. These brown tones, they suck balls. Let's do that. What the hell did I just do? This. Wait, this. These brown tones suck balls too. Oh my god, stop misclicking. Guys, this does look like a crossbow now. Right now it looks like it's loaded. He's cooking now? Yeah, I think so too. I think I'm cooking. Now we just gotta get some shading on this. Ooh. Okay. Just gonna torpedo this out here. Yeah. Guys, that's gonna be it. By the way, it's bent. Hey. Okay, fine. Let's do that. This is the only thing I'm gonna... That's... Oh! Oh. Then we can move this thing. One down. Shit. Since I moved it. It's fine. Can move it down. We move that down. Extend that bull. Yeah. And then do that. Nah. It needs to slowly but surely introduce itself, like the shading. Guys, that's it. The cricket bat. Shut the fuck up, bro. Come on. Hey, you gotta... Come on. This is not bad. Right? The problem is... Let's get this here. Alright, let's get rid of that. Actually, let's get rid of this one. So we could see. Yeah, I think that's it. That's good enough. The white yarn looks a little weird. Yes, but wait. Because now it's going to bend itself. Okay. Okay. Let's get rid of that. See, like, it never moves. No one ever noticed, actually. Not a single person noticed until now, since we are making a crossbow, that it never moved. You guys have been using the crossbow all this time, and you never noticed that these things don't move. I was so lazy, I didn't do anything. I just started moving the yarn. No one uses items. You are wrong. The banned 5 minutes. That's not true. So essentially, it's just copy, paste, and then turn the yarn into two. Uh-oh. 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 That's fine. Oh, that looks nice. Uh-huh. Paste. And then it'll be even easier. One. Hey. One. And then paste. It'll be blub, 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 blub. There it is. Like this. See this? And I see. Paste that here, and then on the bottom layer, get rid of that. So this part right here, how do we call that? We do F2, and then we double click this and we call it a tag. Boom. That's all it is. The bow needs to move? No, it doesn't. I'll show you why. Okay, so now that is the wolf, yeah. Assets. A sprite. Steel. Crossbow. Export. Steel crossbow, and then open recent. Guys, it does not need to move. Just wait. We'll just put this in the game. Where do we have space? We need like a 32 by 32 slot. Oh, it's so terrible to put stuff in here. Hey, I think it'll fit here. Nice. We'll put that here, then we move this dog thing out of the way. Go away. We don't use that anyways. Looks cool though. Actually, looks really cool. Now, steel crossbow. Nice. New item. Okay, so what does that have? 2 pierce? Is it like really big pierce? Let's see. Game.h. Item. Crossbow. Steel crossbow. Cakes, I found something cool. Search for Avail Dark Souls. I'll search that after I've implemented the steel crossbow. Okay, gotta get the item in there first. So we have drawn the item. For better or worse, you know, everyone can make up their own mind if it looks good or not. To be honest, I don't really care, because it'll get the idea across that it's a crossbow, because it's called crossbow, okay? When you have it called crossbow in the game, then obviously it's a crossbow. Item. Crossbow. We'll just yoink the entire thing here. Boom. And make that better. Just a better version of the crossbow. So, for example, we could give it 2 pierce. But we could also make it more interesting. So the first one has 1 pierce. Let's say this one gives 2 pierce, and then it also has another stat where, let's say, stat damage, maybe? Just a multiplier to all base damage. So, for example, let's say you have some damage conversion. This one is literally... Wait, I need to test. Is it increased? Yeah, increased only. So, increased. Multiplier... Hey! Increased. Of 20% damage? Or is that not enough? 2 pierce and 20% damage? For an item that'll cost us 260 or 80? Or maybe more? Gold? Difficult to say, right? 2 stats improve. These 2 stats improve compared to the first one. Let's keep it like that for now. I don't know how OP this is. And then get... oh, wait. We also... Wait, steel crossbow. Then obviously this needs to be a steel crossbow here. And item type bow, slot weapon. Then we need a crossbow icon. So a steel crossbow icon. Here's where the annoying part begins. Let's see. Crossbow icon. Put this here. I need to draw that shit now. So essentially I'll take this. And I'll just recolor that. It's fine. I don't wanna do much more work on something else. Oh, and I need to put this stuff obviously on top, right? So we'll do that. And then let's see. Where is the coloring? So we need... The base color is that for this. G. And then that's the shading. We're gonna port the game to the browser today. Not today, my friend. We will port the game to the browser in 1 week. So not next week, but the week after next week. That's when we'll start porting. And that's when we will also go to itch.io and upload it there. So you guys can give me feedback there if you want to. Here we go. And then put the highlight here to the left and to the right. So we can actually see that it is this crossbow. And then I guess we do that. We could even do like something like this, but it looks odd, I feel like. Yeah, that looks odd. No, never mind. And then at the bottom here, I guess it's just a stick, huh? Lol. Oh wow, that looks really good, I gotta say. Holy. Goodness. Actually not bad. Thought it would look worse, but it didn't. Oh yeah, cool. And then the last part, maybe we could do like a tip here, something like that. Does it look good? Nah, I feel like it doesn't. And then the last part would be maybe some highlights here. Look at this. Like just sprinkle some stuff. I feel like that's too much of a highlight though. What do you guys think? I feel like that's bad because it repeats. So I'd rather just make it less obvious. I think that's okay. Hey, bro, I think I did a good job here. Okay, so that's the icon. Where is it? 288, 1260. 288, 1260, 1280. There we go. Cool. And then we call it the steel crossbow. And then we just need to wait, sprite. Oh yeah, wait, did I add the sprite steel crossbow? I think I did, right? So I should just be able to say steel crossbow here. Should be fine. And then the only thing is the string. Did I not add the string crossbow yet? The steel crossbow? I guess I didn't. Okay. We obviously also need to add steel crossbow sprite. The one we just drew. Excuse me. Should be the same amount of frames, but just a different position. Okay. Where's that? That is in 80 and 1248. Man, I'm telling you guys, I feel laser focused today. You know why? I had a workout before the stream. I was like really fast for 10 minutes. I did as many burpees as I could. I feel really good, man. It's crazy. Goodness. Like first I was dying, of course. But now I feel good. I can recommend. 100%. Steel crossbow, string crossbow. And then we do steel crossbow. Hey, what you doing, bro? We need to add the damn string too. How many did you do? 100. My goal is to do 100 in one go, but I'm unable to do that yet. I managed to get till 80 today before I had to take a small breather. I want to be able to do 100 without having to rest in between. Alright guys, so now we go into get recipe. And we give the recipe to generate a steel crossbow. To the crossbow. Actually, the way this works is the crossbow goes into the steel crossbow. So we are indexing into the crossbow and we are asking, do you have an outcome? Yes, it is a steel crossbow. And the way this works is you can only ever merge the same item into the same item. There is no way that when you... Yeah, so like a wooden bow cannot be put on a crossbow at the moment. It's only wooden bow on top of wooden bow generates a new bow, for example. That's currently the rule, and I think I broke the game because I changed data. Did I? I don't think I did though. VPN is blocking my messages in chat? Really? The greenish pepper, long time no see. How you doing, man? It seems to me that you are flashing out more if you game horizontally. It's the vertical slice done. I saw you had reworked your demo. What is your current feedback or loop for improvements? Other than live stream comments and the demo. I wanna, let me check if I've gotten more feedback. I need to test. So I have a new Google Forms feedback form, version 3. I've used that. I've gotten 3 replies so far, responses. Now I have 4, so 1 additional. I've used that. So this feedback form here, I've used this to gauge interest. Then I have used, let me start the game. Hey, my man Kronos, thank you very much for following. And then on top of that, I have a toggle Steam stats, statistics. Oh, right, Steam is not running. Wait, let me run Steam. When Steam is not running, I cannot gather their statistics. I need to connect to Steam. You can buy 1,000, 10,000. Yeah, that doesn't do anything, man. Like, listen. You should know by now that I, like, for cheat... What does that help me? It doesn't do anything. It's only a waste of money. Like, it's like view botting. Like, okay, so wait. View botting actually has an advantage? Because you can get to the top of the category, and therefore you get more followers, and therefore you you grow faster, and then at some point you can slowly, like, get rid of the view bot. That actually has an advantage. But other than that, I don't see, like... any advantages in cheating, to be honest, because you're not growing as a person at all. I just don't see any reason. And so that's why, like, we rated him the other day, right? But that's why I have such great respect for Quinn69, because I guarantee you that this guy is 99% he's not view botting at all. Because his view account goes like sometimes to 5,000, sometimes to 12,000, sometimes to 20,000. It's all over the place, and he has one of the most active chats on entire Twitch. So, like, for him, for me, that is the one streamer where I know for sure he's not view botting.
No,
and I find that amazing.
Subscribed.
I love that, actually. This is very inspiring. What the hell? Did you just start Steam? Let me test. Update game. Can I debug? I can debug.
Am I so out of touch?
Weird. Oh, my man, Cakez TD. Appreciate that.
Just subscribed.
Oh, and Taz
Another
DJ.
month of Tangy support.
My man, appreciate that. Thank you very much for the big support, man. Prime Gaming. Very nice of you. And Taz DJ, long time no see, bro. And Jonathan Smith, sorry, I missed you on YouTube. Let me see what you said, bro. I'm not sure the physics of that makes sense. The power comes from the bow flexing. Yeah, I know. I don't know. Cakez used to... I remember when Cakez... Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. I was focused. See, like this... This is why I don't do much pixel art on stream. Because I focus on it. I just added an item. What you talking about, bro? Wait. I know why, I think. Think it's because it's here.
Am I so out of touch?
What if I put the
Remake
item
just subscribed.
at the end? Let's test. Where do I use item count? Maybe I use it in a dumb place. Aha. Entity items. Huh? What is this? Okay, wait a minute. That was actually dumb. So the items are supposed to be however many slots I have. Like main hand, offhand, armor piece, helmet, and then trinket. So like 5. Right? 4. So that was dumb. Okay, anyway, anything else? Is there like Control Z in this shit? No? No, 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 no! Stop! Redo! I'm not sure if releasing does this, but making your game 20% off sends a message to all people that have a wish list. It might help with sales. Yeah, but if you buy 10,000 wish lists, these are not real people. These are bots. So you're sending out emails to 10,000 bots. It does nothing. It's minus $100, bro. Also, it's cheating. It does not okay. Hey, here's the thing. Let's say you do that, and these 10,000 wish lists that you got are actually real people. Then, even if that is true, and these real people see the email and they look at it, and they might look at the game, if your game sucks, then it still sucks. That means you will still, most likely, maybe get a small bump at the start, but then you drop down immediately. And maybe those people will all refund, because the game sucks. So I don't think it just makes no sense in any regard. So you need to gather wish lists organically. You won't hit popular and upcoming if people just don't play the game, bro. Even with 10,000 wish lists. And by the way, remake, thank you very much for subscribing too, bro. Appreciate that a lot, man. Thank you so much for the support. Ha! I don't understand. Item count. Do I use that in a bad way? No, I just iterate over these. Weighted items, item drop. Item data, that's just a static that gets reloaded whenever I change that. That's also a static that gets reloaded the moment I reload the game. So that's fine. This is an assertion, that's totally okay. That's also just an array built on the stack. That's fine, fine. It's a loop. Array built on the static array, possible items. It's also built on the stack. Well, not on the stack, but yeah. Here, no, nothing. Item recipes are also fine. Loop. Another array on the stack. Clamp, offset, loop. So, how come my save game is destroyed? How come the save game is destroyed? Just because I added an item? That feels so odd to me. Bad save file state? Yeah, I have to see what is going on there. Let's see. So, load game. So we have a file that exists for sure. Let's see, save state. Version 4. Heroes. So no heroes for some reason. And the hero mask is unlocked. Why? Did I somehow... Wait. I don't know why this happened. My versioning system for this stuff is really bad, so I'm just gonna delete the save game. And I'll do another one. I'll just start again, it's fine. I'm gonna search for it in a second, bro. Stop. Place a Tangy. Yeah, so essentially what I was trying to show is this toggle Steam stats here. This one shows me how many people start each map. And it hasn't moved since yesterday, I think. So that means no one played the game from yesterday to today. Because most of you guys have already played it. And it looks like Steam... let me test, right? I think you know how YouTube videos have these impression graphs where over time the impressions either they keep rising or they slow down. I think for my game the impressions have slowed down to like a snail's pace, and I don't think I can do much to revive those impressions. It's like barely any impressions compared to the very beginning, and I don't think there's much I can do actually. Only like a big change would do something. But we'll have to see. Let me see. I can show you that page because I think that one is actually not okay to show. So if I go to the Steam store and traffic breakdown, I've gotten... Yeah. See, like, I remember times when I had gotten like 800 to 1,000 impressions. I'm down to 444 impressions. But I have 1,400 visits, and that's from my YouTube and from my Twitch. So, like, Steam's impressions have gradually gone down this year. This entire year has been a downwards trending emoji for my impressions, and I don't know why that is. Let me see. Where's the impression graph? Yeah, like it's completely gone down. The total impressions a day is like 70, 60. And it's mostly just wishlist or search results. Nothing else. And even this has gone down. So, for example, I'll give you like a comparison, right?
Am I so out of touch?
In March.
No.
In March.
Rafi18 just subscribed. Hello.
In March, I was getting 114 impressions. Sometimes even almost 200 impressions. Now I'm getting 70, 60. So I don't know why that is. Like, it's gone down completely. And the thing is, though, the game got better. That's the confusing part to me. The game actually improved. The player feedback has gotten much better. Like, people really like the TFT item system that we built here, this stuff. And so, like, the gameplay loop is much more fun than before. It makes more sense and it's more intuitive. And yeah, so the game itself has gotten much better. Is on a higher level than before, but the impressions just crashed down. How many impressions do you have per lifetime, Cakes? I think it is 100,000 or something. Let me see. So, like, again, like, this is not me complaining, okay? All I can do, right? I can't change that. All I can do is just see that and try to make my best game, the best game possible, and then let's just hope that using YouTube advertising and maybe streamer advertising using emails, then that will be then the deciding factor that will bring traction back to the game. Let me see, all time. I think it is 170, yeah, 170,000 impressions. So this is something that other games can get in a week. Or like a month. Like really popular games get 170,000 in like a month. Yeah, it's like my entire... I'll show you like the zoomed out version, okay? The gray is the important part, okay? I'll show you the zoomed out version of the impression graph. You can't really do much about it. So like this is my impression graph, okay? The gray part is the stuff that went down over time, okay? So I think that's the reason why I'm struggling to gain so many wish lists. Because usually Steam is the best deciding factor to that advertises the game. So there must be something on my Steam page or something else that... This guy's timed out for a day. Okay, because These messages are just not very nice. Yeah. Good stuff. Okay, so now we can actually look at that. You see, like, this is the point. This is the problem here. Okay, I feel like. Anyways, so I think the only chance that I have to make this right. I got 195,000 impressions. How long is your game? How old is your game? Yeah, so that's essentially what I'm dealing with at the moment, but I've accepted that. So the only thing I can do is just make the game better. And that's what we do, right? We don't stop. We're not gonna let that, deter us from making a game. Absolutely not. I don't think there's anything in particular. It's just a tough market, and you just need to find the breakthrough bubble. I think when the game gets traction from some other source, it will show a positive sign to the algorithm, and then that'll change it. Posted assets in general. August. So you've gotten... Wait, so you've gotten 190,000 impressions over the course of 20 days. And I have sitting on my Steam... I've been sitting on my Steam page for... almost 3 years. Nice! It will not stop me though, okay? Like, I will not cry about this. It's fine. Okay, we'll figure out some... This is crazy, right? It is kind of insane, I'm not gonna lie. Yep. But hey, I know that I have something here. At least the gameplay itself is good. So... It'll be fine. My point is you can also do it. I don't think at this point that even if I change my Steam page, there will be a change, to be honest. Because I think, so like, I changed my Steam page, and from before, the Steam page is 10 times better. But the impressions still went down. So I don't think changing the Steam page does anything, at least at this point for me. So I think it has to come from, yeah, YouTubers or something like that. Yeah. Like looking at how it was in the past and how it is now. So yeah, anyways, so I don't try to look at the impressions anymore, and so my wish lists will also not be affected at all. There will be no change to the wish lists. Maybe Steam Next Fest, we'll see, right? Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe since my impressions are bricked, the Steam Next Fest will also be bricked. I have no idea. Don't know how this works. By the way, Rafi, thank you very much for following. And OK Stevie, thank you very much for following. No, Rafi, thank you very much for subscribing. And OK Stevie, thank you very much for following. Yeah, let's just move on. We'll get it done anyways. Okay, so how long did that take to add an item to the game? Too long, huh? Ooh. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Ha 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 ha. The Thornwood Bow is OP. Like when you get this item, look at that. How many damage he does, how much damage he does. Your game might be on top of new releases for a while, as the docs say. The system generates a queue from that pool, prioritizing titles that have the least amount of views since release. Okay, is that good? Is that a good thing? Sounds good. Wait. Why do I have 5 stars? I shouldn't have 5 stars. I should have 3 stars. Okay, gotta fix that really quickly. A reset game. Okay. Okay, we have to do it again and then see how many stars we get. When you release your game, you have around 30 days where Steam likes you more than usual. Time to refactor. We did that yesterday. We refactored the star system so that when you have 20 or... No, when you have 18 to 20 lives, that's when you get 3 stars. And 6 to 17 is 2 stars. Anything below that is 1 star. That's a much better system. It's the same as in Kingdom Rush and it works very well. Like it a lot. It's a cool system. Try increasing the... Try increasing the brightness and saturation by 10% every day on your capsule until you get more impressions. Till it's blinding white. True. Good idea, bro. Did you activate your promotion route, Cakes? I think you can only do that once you release, bro. And as far as I heard, these don't do much. And let me check YouTube. I feel like the chat did not update. It did not, yeah. What's your click-through rate? I can't really look at the click-through rate, Bachware, because... like, okay, so wait. When you ask this, right, Bachware, which click-through rate are you talking about? I can look at this, but what do I need to look at? Like, direct search results is... 3% click-through rate, I think. No, wait. Browse search results is, I guess, 0%? See, like, I get 1,000 impressions from browse search results, but then I get 3,000 visits. So that's over 100% click-through rate. So the visits are from something else, but they still get categorized into browse search results. So that's so odd. Right, I'll show you the snippet. So it's really difficult to isolate what I'm supposed to look at when you have something like this. Click-through rate would be in the middle here, by the way. Right. Ah, fuck, I don't need that weapon. I mean, I could sell it, but it's only 18. What round are we in? It's round 7. Yeah, they're kind of useless. The click-through rate is broken as fuck on Steam unless a specific section. Yeah, because it factors in visits from YouTube and stuff. And so the click-through rate is always over 100% sometimes, which doesn't make any sense. Okay, wait. Perfect timing. Step debugging enabled. Save the game. Let's see. 1 level ID. Here it is. Let's figure out how many stars we get. Do you see how both flexes during shooting? Will your crossbow why does your crossbow not do that? Time investment when drawing the art, and it didn't. So like, how do I explain that? Whenever I used the crossbow, and I used it a lot, Sturdy Pose, I never had a negative feeling when seeing the animation in the game, because it never felt off. So, since it never a single person saw that on stream and told me, oh, it looks off, and on top of that, not a single playtester told me it looks off. For me, it never looked off. It's not important. It's just not important to spend the time and effort to make that perfect when I have other areas that I could work on. It's about time. How much time do I want to invest? Okay, let's see here. So here's where we get the stars. We have not unlocked. We have not completed the level. We have 0 earned stars. Then we can complete. We complete the level, we earn another star. So now we have 1. That's fine. We have not earned 2 stars yet. No. And we have more than 6 lives. Yes. Then we earn 2 stars. And we increase the star count by 1. Good. Now we have 2 stars. Do we have 3 stars for this challenge? No. Is the lives greater than 17? Yes. Add 3 stars and then increase the star count by 1. So now we have 3 stars. Oh, I see. I let no hero die and I have not lost any hearts. These need to be off for now. For now, at least. Or, if I keep them on, they shouldn't give... Ah, man, either I implement that properly or not. Actually, no. Not for now. Because these will be challenges. Then if these are challenges, then they shouldn't... No, they should just not save right now. Yeah, well, if they don't do anything right now, then they shouldn't do anything, actually. We need to ignore them for now to not destroy the save game. There we go. So like real marketing talk, do you have user stories in mind and target demos? What do you mean by that? Like, what are user stories and targeting demos? So you can already see no, but I would like to know what that means. Good, guys. So now we got 3 stars. Let's go home. Please tell me I have 3. Cool. Awesome. Okay, so that's what I want. Done. Oh, wait. User stories? When you mean like example stories of what's gonna happen in what scenario? Target demo? Yeah, I mean, having a demo out would be first. And yes, I currently have built a demo. Yes. Why don't you store a source of how you get the star? Like a list of stars and you add... Oh, I mean, yeah. That would be like a big bit array, if that makes sense. So, for example... Like a very long... Well, not a bit array, but a very long Boolean array. Where every single level and their challenges are part in. I guess. I suppose. I mean, yeah, maybe. Listen, it usually works, but I change the data once and then it doesn't work. Yeah. No, like I have worked on this demo. It's like a playable slice, and that's the last playable slice. So that is like my target demo. I don't think there's anything more you can do. You either show your game or you don't. Right? Like, what more can you do? Like a target demo? I feel like as an indie developer, all you can do is just build a demo version. And then you decide how much you put into that demo version compared to the full version. Like, I know what you mean, right? So, for example, I could make a target demo like in Diablo 4, where I let the player start at level 20, and then they can fight a boss. Or something like that, right? And so they don't have to go through the early leveling stages. They start somewhere in the middle of the game. That could be something you can do, yes. But in my case, I don't have enough content for that yet. I need more content first. Okay, so we have added the new item. I've not gotten that yet, though. I want to try to get it through gameplay, not through cheating. I've never finished a game, let alone market it. No, it's a nice idea. It will most likely not do much in my current situation though. Because let me see here. Give me a sec. Because this red is really powerful. I mean 20? Damn it. Okay, let's get that. You gotta make that storm bigger? What do you mean storm? Which storm are you talking about? When I started gaming in 1998 or so, till 2005, almost all the games were split screen modes, but I don't see much of them. Does that mean there's no market for those games? Maybe you don't play much PlayStation, because it still exists there. Like console games still have that, but for computer games, the internet, bro. Like if you're an indie developer and you're mostly your core audience will be Steam, which is computer gamers. Very likely, right? Unless you're making, even in a mobile game, you both have mobile phones, so there's no need. It's only consoles, and usually you don't start making games on a console when you first start out. You do something else. I think that's the reason why. There are stats by having 5 languages, you get a massive boost. Yeah, I heard about that too, yeah. That's what I could, that's something I could do. Localization, like I could do the German localization because I'm German, and my brother could even help me with Japanese translation now that I think about it, because he learned Japanese and he wants to live in Japan, actually. Right, so I think we got 2 localizations plus English, so 3. We can get those. You watch this anime? Yeah, I don't watch anime though. Yeah, I read One Piece. I don't watch anime. I used to watch anime, but not anymore. Man, this is so easy, lol. Hey, hey! Well, that's fine, cause wait. I wasn't paying attention for like 1 second, bro. Shit. Yeah, I mean, then this is... Now it's easy, right? Yeah, guys, I will most likely do fixed positions, you know. I feel like the game is too easy without fixed positions. Look at these bugs. We still got 2 stars though. That's great. Okay, nice. Well, we can get a free item. Or we can get the cluster bombs. I think free item is better, and then we get increased healing. I'd be willing to help with an Austrian-German translation, Cakes. Oh, you think there's a need for Austrian-German? Really? You think there's so much of a difference between German and Austrian-German? I mean, like talking-wise, yes. It's huge? Really? I was just kidding, but it would be funny. Okay, so never mind then. See, I told you. Alright, guys, so this guy gets that. What do you get? This? Or do you go for banner? You buff other dudes around you. Get more AoE. And then she just level 1. She just started her journey. Lol, look, I can place this guy here. It's actually quite funny. That looks great. What items do we have? Oh, yeah, right. I get a free item. feel like that's the best. Wait, that's the best on this guy. Banner power. And then we get a shield. Ha 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 ha! This guy has 30 armor. That's good. Okay. Yeah, this is a problem. I think that's unfair. Good. Oh, we got our first crossbow, guys. So this might be the run where we actually get the crossbow first. We finally get it. Uh-oh. Ah, this is unfair. Like, there's so many spawning here. Oh, wait, I didn't use the crossbow, though. That's also bad. Cake, sorry, this is not relevant for Gamedev, but do you know the word Leihwand means? Leihwand? No. Okay, guys, we somehow need to get lucky by getting the crossbow. So here we won't get the crossbow because it's a tier 1 item. So we need to reroll. Fine, we got the spyglass though. That might be... Duh, I get another shield. Fine, we get a shield. It's okay. Guess we give it to him. Bro, we get so unlucky. I want a crossbow, bro. Come on. Uh-oh, this guy's almost dead. You need to do a better job, bro. Uh-oh. He's gonna lose. Oh, no. I'm losing. Hey! I didn't put a healer on him. It's my fault. Come on, bro. Wake up. Shit. Ah, we got so unlucky again, bro. Come on. This is the run. 100%. Fuck! I need a crossbow, bro. Come on. But this one, 100% after this. Fun will buy that. Oh, it's a short bow. No. It's fine. It's fine. Uh-oh. It's over, isn't it? Oh, it's not. It actually is not. Shit, the boss is spawning already. Holy. Cakes, do you even know how much data you will need to translate? Yeah, this. This is my text file. Like all of these. This is what I need to translate. Like, if I have someone that is professional, we probably can do that in a day, right? It's not that much text. It's mostly the same stuff. And then some text that needs to make sense. I feel like the most difficult one will be Russian, Chinese, 1 week minimum. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Cakez. Your game looks good. I'm excited for the water level. Water level? What is this guy talking about? Uh-oh. Come on, heal, lady. You've been slacking off ever since I got you. Come on. Oh my god, I need fire. Shit. Dr. Multiplayer, I appreciate the following, man. Thank you. Oi. We have a problem down here, you guys. Yeah, we had to do that. Come on here, lady. Heal. Oh my god, that's dumb. Fine, we get another one of these guys. With a better sword. Man, I can't beat this boss at all. So this is what it feels like when you get to the boss and you have not leveled up yet at all. Goodness, I only got down 25%. But I also didn't get the item I wanted, bro. Also, I didn't spend any money on any abilities. That's my own fault too. I should have gotten more money on, put more money on abilities though. Because, like, fire is OP, by the way. This one is OP. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's over. It's over, isn't it? Come on. Oh, I need a bomb. Uh-oh. You can do it! Wait. I get... shield? Another blocker? Oh god, she gets attacked. It's over. GG's. Yeah, she got attacked. It's over. We lost. Ah, okay, I'm gonna cheat money just to see if I cannot get this fucking item! Give me the crossbow! You can't be serious! Hey! One crossbow, please! RNG game? Yeah. I mean, I don't have enough recipes yet, right? Refund this game, bro. I can win. I'm not gonna level up my characters. I'll go the way this is. I can win this without changing the characters. Okay, when they level up, they gain nothing. Just a skill point. Okay, so they don't gain stats. Nothing else. So I can keep using the old characters with low levels. Okay. Economy, bro. Yeah, I feel like it's missing some econ. Right, you're right. This time I'm gonna place the guy here. And I'll put the banner stuff on. And we get a free oh, yeah, okay. Never mind. We got a good stuff here. Then we put... Oh, that one's not bad either. Now this guy reaches here. And I give him fire. Oh, he got fire already. Never mind. Never mind that. Okay, and you get the shield? That's too much money though. I need a blocker here too. Just to make sure we don't lose. I would refer to noob behind the wheel. No, I was too focused on getting the crossbow. Oh, actually, this time that won't happen. Because I'll use my money efficiently. Just watch. It's gonna be easy. See, I didn't even need to use the oranges. And this time we're gonna get a good item here. I mean, 20 gold. I got that the other time too, bro. One more. Fine, we get this one. Asshole. Okay, so we got this item. That's a good one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But I have oranges. Oh my god, this is slow. Okay, fine. That was a waste. Never mind. Yeah, this one's good. He's doing very well. Let's start early as well. So we gain more money. See how easy this becomes? When you do it right? Uh-huh. Heal, lady! God, you need healing. Useless. It's crazy, man. Mm-hmm. Actually, let's kill all of them. Whatever. Look at that, guys. Huh? Oh, yeah. Now he's gonna get the big shield. And then I will pierce count +1. Tech speed. Hello. You made this game in C or C++ using Godot engine? I made this game in C++. I did not use the Godot engine for this game, no. Wand of Sparking. I could get that, but that sucks. Ooh. 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 Uh-oh. Bro, you're too slow. Nice. Okay, we only leaked 18. See, this is for 3 stars. Boss time. Okay, so this time we prepared. We have this guy. Huge damage. Okay, wait. What's the best thing to do here? What would be the smartest thing? We have $60 on the reroll. That's not good enough. I feel like I should do another one of these. And when we get enough money, I do another... whatever that's called. See how they smash this guy? Oh, yeah. Look at the deeps. Oh, my God. He's burning. You know why? Because this guy takes 20% more fire damage because he's a bush monster. Bush burns. See, that's what I want. Awesome. Oh my God, you just gotta survive, man. Come on, you gotta survive. Please, survive, bro. Oh no! I used it on the... You lady need to heal. Okay, so we're not going to get 3 stars, but 2. Because we're gonna leak some. Unless... Nah, it's fine. It's fine. It's just the way it is. Oh my God. Oh no. We're losing it down here. It's too many. Or do we? Watch this. Boom. Minus 11 seconds. Give him a shield. I mean, range does nothing. Maybe some defense? Shield orbs? I need money. Like, this is money. Like, all of these reds are coming in now is money. Better shield. Put the shield on this guy. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, it works! Kill him! Boom! Burning? No! Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Fuck! So close. I mean, almost. It's a bit difficult, this boss, huh? 0 star. Shut up. I can see how easy the game is. The thing is, you know, what I like about like this is that I feel like I still have options to explore. It doesn't feel like I can't do anything, and I got stronger. I have 2 skill points on each of these. Even this one right here, burn chance and dot damage, would have been enough to kill the boss. Isn't this what's fun about the game? I feel like too. I don't know. I feel like I need to keep it this way, because the moment I spend the point here, I win. 100%. Like 10% more chance to burn and then 20% more damage. That's crazy. And then I can get more AoE as well. And then for this guy, it depends, right? I can get cooldown reduction, so I can use the shield orbs more. And then for her, I mean, I can reduce her cost and give her more healing and range. So now I win. Now I win. But I could have won before as well. You could add a tutorial to point out that the boss is weak to fire. I see, I could do that, yeah. I'll write that down on the list. That's a good idea. Good idea, bro. Okay. Alright, let's see. The strategy I had was good. Let's try Shade 11 strategy. Shade 11 strategy was this, guys. I'm not kidding. It was literally that. That's his strategy. I hate that. I hate this strategy. It's so easy. Death ball, yeah, it's literally just a ball of units, all in the same spot. Wow, and that's why I will most likely add in fixed positions. You can't place units everywhere, because it just makes it impossible for me to balance.
Am I so out of touch?
It's too easy.
No.
Dustin Yost is gifting 1 sub to the
See that?
community.
Yo, my man, thank you very much, Dustin Yost, for gifting a sub to AK Elements. Appreciate that. And Galaxy, thank you very much for following. I missed that, bro. See that, guys? Oh, I already got wooden wand. I should get a better wand then. Okay. Need a recipe for that. See this, guys? Yawn. Too easy. Aha. And no items. Items are not a waste of money. They make your changes a lot stronger, but I think I need to force the players into fixed positions. If I don't, then they're just gonna death ball. They put all of them together. And even if I let a gazillion enemies spawn, death ball will still be the best option. And I think that's just too easy. It's boring. Look at this. See how much struggle I had before because I had to fight on multiple fronts. Now, all I do is just scratch my balls. Uh-oh. Okay, so that was me because I could have placed other units. Okay, so that's my own fault, yeah? I could have added this here. Guys, that was my own fault. Yeah, I know, -12 because I wasn't paying attention, okay? But I could have won easily. 100%. Watch. Watch how fast these die. Watch here. How fast this guy is gonna lose health. I guess not. But he's gonna come back anyways. And then we have 3 of these. Watching. The boss will one-shot this group. No, I don't think he will. But let's see. Maybe he does. Let's see. I need a shield. This guy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no! Okay, well, I did it badly. Okay, one more time. I did it badly. Just wait, okay? This was just a test. Oh, yeah, big damage. Don't buy items, trust me. You will beat it. Okay, I will not buy items and just place more units. Am I supposed to use abilities or just place units, Rico? 50 gold for 10% attack speed? Yeah. Abilities and the free items? Okay, fine. Abilities and free items. Nothing more. I don't think orange bombs being such a critical part of the strategy is bad. No, because I want you to be active. I don't want you to just idle and do nothing. Not even with the cheesy way? Yeah, but there was the bad cheesy way. So I don't buy any items, is what you're saying. I just place more and more units. So another one of these guys, I guess. Okay. Fine. And then this guy gets an ability. I guess he buffs everyone else. No, if this is bad, if this is actually the best way to do it, then there needs to be changes. And I think the changes will be to rebalance, to have fixed positions. Because this sucks. 100%. Uh-oh. Okay, so I still leaked, bro. What you talking about? You placed them wrong to prove your point? No. Your own mistake again? Okay, so now I have 1 million dudes. You want me to play some more archers? How did you make the game and still suck at it, bro? What you talking about? This skill level is hard, man. I want to see you. You will die in wave 1, bro. Okay, so I placed everything. If he wins now, fire carries, yeah. I will see. Oh no! No, I still lost. Oh? Bro, I still lost. He killed all of them. What you talking about, bro? He killed them all. Upgrade the tangies with AoE so it doesn't hit all units. You never used the fucking bomb. The bomb would have not made a difference. I used it. Uses abilities wrong, blames the strat. Oh, okay, how can you use the ability wrong? It's an auto ability. Better run an item still? No. I'll prove it to you. Watch. I'll prove it to you. You are wrong. I can easily beat this map. Excuse me?
Did you animate
Being
the
smart.
water? Are you animating
Just wait.
the water? Will you animate the water?
Shh,
When will you
shh,
animate the water?
shh. I will do some saves coming here. Oh, yes! Big money! Good stuff. Okay. I need to place this guy here. Give him that. Oh! That would have been insane as a free item. But okay. Get this guy. I don't think 100 gold for 20% attack speed and 5% damage is bad, Mr. TCAP. As much as you say that it's bad, I think it's okay. I think it's good. Healing cooldown time. See, like this is big. Huge increase. Banner power. Can block an additional Tangy. Oof, this guy's big. And then he gets a shield too. It's over. This is over, guys. GG's. And then we'll give a safety net. We'll put a safety net of this guy plus a defender here. Then we play. It's gonna be easy. Watch. Look how much he blocks. Oh my god, how easy this is. Oof. 30% armor, not even close. Yeah, I needed to use a bomb there, that's fine. Like, he's not even getting... Oh, never mind. He's actually getting destroyed by this red. Oh, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we got a bow. And then we put this bow here. We put that here. Nice. Uh-oh. Another defender. Yes. Healer. Heal. Oh, yeah. Ha! Good. Okay. Safety net is done here. Good stuff. Okay, this guy gets fire now. Let's see. No, it's not praying for good items. You're wrong. Using the items that you get in a smart way. That's what it is. Watch. So I can either buy this item now, the damage or attack speed, or I can decide to invest into this item, or I can re-roll. These other two items don't do much in my current situation. Okay, so it's up to me to do what I want. Like, the outcome is different depending on what I do. I think I'll get the club so I can get the knockback. And then with the knockback on, I will re-roll. And now I have the sword, I can put it on this guy. So I got 2 items now. Okay, instead of 1. You have to realize that oftentimes buying an item doesn't mean you just buy 1 item. No, you buy 2 sometimes. Because it also unequips the equipped item on the Tangerine sometimes. Or it upgrades it. So you're buying the upgraded version. And this is when I think I will re-roll. I didn't get that. I mean, I got this. But I kind of got dog. We can get another bow and another ranger then. I guess. Let's not put this on here, because that would be too OP. Please don't ban me again. Sorry, boss Cakes. I agree with them. 50% gold for 10% attack speed versus 100 gold for a new unit, which is 100% attack speed. Okay, go. You do not understand how tower defense games works. It's fine. It's bro. It's okay, bro. It's fine. This guy does not know the strats of tower defense. Tower defense is not all about just stats. It's about positioning and uptime too. If your uptime sucks, then it doesn't matter how many stats you have, bro. Okay. I think I'm gonna use a bomb here. Because that's a lot. Damn, that was easy. And then put another one here. Good. Okay, is this where the boss comes? He has fire already. We need 80 gold. I could sell this guy. But I think that would be bad. Oh my god, he got hit. Like crazy. Oh, he got so unlucky. But it's fine. We already got 25% down. Oh god, that's a lot that's coming here. Oof. This is what killed me the last time. Okay. Let's put one here. Okay, he's gonna get fire now. To make sure the bush monster dies. And if not, then this guy will get fire. Looks promising. Thank you, Misty Code. I appreciate that, bro. Okay, now you please focus the boss, you dumbass. Kill the boss. Attack the boss.
Am I so out of touch?
Use fire on the boss and burn him, please.
No.
Dustin Yost is gifting 1 sub to the community.
We got so unlucky that they didn't get a single burn on him. Yes! Oh, he got a burn on him. Oh, he's burning, all right? Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is the run. 100%. And my man Dustin, thank you very much for gifting another sub to Misty Coda, man. All right, guys. So here's what we need to make a decision, right? What do we do? Defender? He can't be healed in this position, so he needs to be here. Like another defender here. And we could put the weapon on him, but that would just be a merger. Or we reroll. Oh my god, yes! We got a shield. Oh, this guy didn't use banner. I didn't even go big strategy on him. We need fire on him. Range on him. Yeah, no, I guess I have to use... Come on. Now do your best, bro. No! Okay, so she healed him big time. Yes. Oh, I got him. Ha! See, I told you. Huh? Pierce count by 1. Or armor piercing by 20%. That one's great too. 30 physical damage. I think I'll take this gun. Uh-oh. But we are losing. We are losing. Wait, we have 400 money. Wait, we have 400. Heal. And this one. Oh, we got it. Okay. Sit 20 seats to 20 life. Death ball. I know, man. I know. But hey, it is how it is. I'm gonna give that to him now. Yeah, see, this is what I don't want. It's just a death ball, bro. At the end here. Can you please explain to me why the archer stopped attacking after the boss went out of range instead of attacking the small blobs? Because the small blobs are underground. That was the Stratmon. Like, not entirely, bro. Oh god, this is the round I made yesterday, isn't it? Oof. It's not clear. I know it's not clear. I need to draw them in a better way. Maybe I just make them dark. It's possible to do that. Like, for example, here, I could show you. I could do this. Right? Watch. I think they're already transparent. They have a transparent layer. So I could do the follow... Where is it? Here. This is their running animation. I mean, let's put that to the right here. So we don't lose the other one. But essentially this here, we could turn this into, or we can do Control U. Hey, Ned Bolter, long time no see, bro. How you doing? How about this? Still doesn't really look like that, right? They need an antenna and then only show the antenna. Or it would be something like... I have a better idea, actually. Wait. I think it's the angle.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Ned Bolter just subscribed.
Yo, my man.
Game looks cool as always, smile.
I appreciate that, bro. Thank you very much, man. Awesome to hear. Just give me a sec, guys. We'll almost be done. Yeah, we still need to read the article about Gnomes. But I can see this level is really difficult, though I don't really want to nerf this level, because when it gets to the full release or towards early access, then you will have a choice to go to this level or the next. There will be 2 levels that open up after this. And if this level is too much for you in the beginning, you can go and do the other level. And then come back to this one later. That's the idea. Because this one's supposed to be a boss and more difficult. And I don't really want to nerf it. It's gonna be a final level. This is going to stay the final level of the demo. But later on... Let me see. Test this. And then here too. Do you make a lot of art yourself? Yeah, I try to do almost all myself. More difficult art, like for example bosses. I will commission. Or I do very rarely. Because it takes too long. Let's test this. Oh yes! Now that gives the impression that they're underground. You can't tell me that this is not something that looks like it's underground. It is 100% not something you can see. Right? Tell me. Now that's obvious. Looks like shit? No, you're wrong. That does not look like shit. You're wrong. Totally wrong. That's a black blob? No, it is something underground. Create particles as well? No. No, I don't. No, I will not do that. Because you could already tell what's going on here. Moving potatoes? It's a dark ghost? Yes. I mean, okay. Oh god, now the boss spawns. Okay. Well, we can do Control U. Right? And then we do saturation again. No, wait. Was it saturation or lightness? I think it was lightness. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Damn. No, I think that's the way. That's the best way. Or let's test. Let's see here. Guys, that doesn't work. I don't care. I don't care what you guys say. I think that's good. Have the eyes glow red? A good idea, actually. Was it these? Was it there? Yeah. They render on top of other creatures? Ooh, smart. Actually, smart idea. Yes. So if they are buried... Oh, really good idea, bro. Actually, really good idea, man. Where do I get the layer? Draw entity. Draw collider, who cares? Hero. Translucent. I get the layer here somewhere. Ah. Entity layer. How do I compute that? Ah, here it is. An update. Ah! Oh! Already do that. So now it's just gonna be an else if check. If it's a flyer, then it does calculate the layer using the layer for flyers and the position. Else if. Hey, bro. Oh, let's do that. Let's just do an and symbol, and that's the same if check. It's fine, we can get rid of that. And then we'll do check here. If it's component buried. Then it'll draw behind, but only if it is buried and it doesn't attack. So there needs to be an end check here. And then it uses the layer attack range circle, I guess. So layer game is the normal layer that they use. But then there's a layer below the game, which I guess would be layer buried. Or we can use the attack range circle. The layer for that is this circle right here, the blue one. We can use the blue circle, I guess. But I feel like it should show up on top of the blue circle, so then that should be a layer buried in between. So we do layer buried. But only when they have a target, when they don't attack. So when a buried enemy attacks, then they show up, and they should be, their layer should be calculated like normal. So that's when we calculate the layer like normal using the game. Hey, it makes it a lot easier to understand now, actually. It's cool. I like it. There we go. Did it not save the game here? As it takes like 10 days to understand that the layer is now in there? Okay, cool. You should probably be running this stuff through a virtual function in an object. Why? Zero stars incoming. Do we have active spells? Yes, we do. Why cause C++? Yeah, but I mean. You're happy? Now they show up below. On top of everything, they are below. You see? They're always below. Oh my god, that feels amazing. That looks good. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Can we beat him? He's already burning. Oh, he's burning again. Oh, he's burning again. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Oh, he's burning like crazy. We need to kill these. There's too many. Hey guys, I think I can win. I'm just spamming archers. Yeah, I mean, you guys are right. There's a lot of archer spam going on for sure. It's a lot of unit spam. But this level is also really crazy. Do we re-roll? Yeah, we do. Uh-oh. I won! Guys, I won! Look at this! We won the level! Hey, we have to wait! We 3-start the level! Goodness! So that? True. Yeah, we won!
The door's open. I should not be so loud.
How long would it take you to defeat the boss from the new save? I just did though. I don't know. How long did I play? For an hour? How's he rebuilding without closing the game? It's called hotcode reloading. Let's see. Hot reload. Here you can take a look at this, bro. I made a tutorial on that. Burnt on YouTube is a paid chatter? No, he doesn't want to get banned again, bro. That's all. Cool. We actually got 3 stars on this level before this. Cool. And then Wolf said, okay, now it's enough of playtime. We played enough. I added in a new weapon that I did not get to test today. So now I want to actually test if I can get that weapon. So we're just going to keep re-rolling until we get it. I don't care how much money I have to spend. No, Shade 11 was spamming yesterday with stuff. Bro, how can I not get this item? It's crazy. Is it that rare? The crossbow? It's not even that good. Bro, we're up to a 720 reroll cost. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm not getting the item, bro. Bro, that's crazy. It doesn't show up. Why not? How? How is it so rare? This is insane. I'm not getting the item, bro. Feels like a bug, bro. The thing is, it's not a bug because I've seen the item before. Or maybe it is. Maybe you're right. Maybe it actually... No, I've seen it in here before. It exists. It exists. Wait. I hate that. See, like, I searched tier 2 items. And it... Okay, let's see. No, it's not in tier 2. Here's the crossbow. It has a weight of 40. Meaning... when you compare it to all of the other items that show up all the time, it should show up. But maybe since it's so far down the list, it is not taken so often, because usually it takes one from here or something. But it always ticks. It's like the wooden one is a lot there. The one of sparking shows up a lot. Shortbow shows up more than longbow. No, longbow shows up more. I don't know. Give it 10,000 weight. You know what I think I would do? I'll just increase all of the 40s to 50s. Right. I don't think that you could make an exciting tower defense game in 2035, but you meant it looks great. You think so? I appreciate that, bro. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, the year's long still. We've got a lot of time still left. And I feel like I'm getting close to finishing the first biome. Thank you, Brent. I appreciate that, bro. I really do. Okay, so all of the tier 1 items now have the same weight. Oh wait, tier 0 items have way more weight. Now maybe these should be changed a bit to 100. They are twice more likely to show up. And then obviously every single item or every single weight point is going to get an increase of 10x. So like 100 will be 1000. This will be 500 because tier 2 items, when I add them in, which I think I already did, that's too high. But let's see. So now I changed the weight. Okay, I'm gonna give it a weight of 10,000. Okay, I'm tired. Let's do 50,000. Bro, you can't be serious. Maybe I do a bad job. Like maybe the random function that I use. Wait, it doesn't show up at all. You're right. It should have shown up. Okay, wait. So, what is the problem here, bro? Oh, I know. Wait, no, wait. Oh. It's not part of the default items. I have not found the crossbow yet. Hence, I cannot find it in the shop. What happens is I need to open up a chest. Find it, and then it's unlocked, and then I can roll it in a That's bad, I feel. I think that's bad. Time to remove that requirement. You think it's bad to have that? It's weird, right? Should that be gone? Longbow is also not on the list. You're right. So, guys, if you're talking about this, right? Should that be gone? Because I thought about it in a way where it's a cool progression system. Maybe unlock higher tiers as you beat more of the game. Yeah, I could lock tiers behind, like for example in Kingdom Rush, in the first level you cannot go above tower level 0. And then in the second level you cannot go above tower level 1 and stuff like that. I could do the same thing in my game where I say, okay, in the first level you can get tier 1 items, in the second level you get tier 2 items. Paywall. Guys, I want to check again. Bean Beasts, how's it going? How's it going for this guy? We checked this game at the start of the stream. It released just now. 6 user reviews. Okay, it's getting better, guys. 60 players. Oi. Going up. That's good. Here you go, guys. Hey, if you want to support a fellow indie dev, I'll try to play the game tomorrow. Not curate or nothing. Just Bean Beasts. Here you go. It's a tower defense game we played before. Just released. Excuse me. And I think the game's great. And he finally managed to add in all the content. I wonder how many biomes he has. I think I saw 3 biomes in the game. Is it early access? No, it's out. Apologize. Hello, Nightshade dude. Good morning. Your game looks better? No, you're just sugarcoating me, bro. You don't have to do that. That's totally fine. So that's bad, huh? Needs 4 reviews. Yeah, it needs 4 more reviews to get to the 10 mark. I'll think about it. So here it is. Items that have not been unlocked, ignore them. This is the if check. That's doing that. And then we should see way more items actually. The problem with the chest unlock design is that you can't tell how that works. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, here it is. Aha! I mean, it's always there now because it's 50,000, bro. I mean, it's always 50,000. Yeah, Emerald Ring now can see translucent enemies. Like, there's so many mechanics that I still want to add into the game. No, you're right. Let's see. Let's reroll again. Ah! I have a steel crossbow! Hey, look at that! Wait, I forgot. It's not green. 1 second. It is uncommon. And then tier 2 items. Oh, I hate that so much. I hate that so much. I searched the tier 2 items. Sorry. Yeah, I mean, if that... Okay, wait. We need to change the weight now, guys. If we keep it that way. Then the first items need to have 1,000. They need to be 10 times more likely, I suppose. And then these will be 500. Tier 2 is twice as rare. Oh, sorry, tier 1 is twice as rare. On the first reroll, maybe more. And then 10 times less likely is tier 2 when we reroll. You know a huge streamer is playing your game right now, Cakez? Yeah, you're lying. Stop saying that, bro. Like yesterday, no, was it 2 days ago when Shade11 fabricated the screenshot of Queso playing my game? Listen, you can't lie to me. I'm not stupid. Happy Rosenrode? Yeah. Okay, I think I'm dumb. What you talking about, bro? Oh, wow. Now iron rings show up. Cooldown 10%, 10% damage. Actually reasonable. Yeah, that's not good enough. Was it? He only hit 2. Damage to... It should be 40% actually. Yeah, this bow is not good enough. We'll do 40% damage. And maybe we add another pierce, like 3 pierce to this. Because, like, supposed to ramp up, right? You're supposed to feel rewarded for your investment. And when you invest that much money, you at least should get some, like, really good stats here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that feels a lot better. Oh, yeah. Bro, this guy's smashing. Let's restart here. Let's get some money here. Oh, precision goggles now. Awesome. Yeah, now I'm getting items that actually should not exist yet, but fine. Let's get ourselves some crossbow action here, please. Crossbow action, come on. Give me some crossbow action, bro. Nice. One more, please. Just one more, man. I need one more crossbow, please. Thank you, appreciate that. Thank you, appreciate that a lot. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Watch this guy here. He's gonna go here. They all will go to him. He's gonna shoot them down. Watch. He'll have 2 dudes defending. And then 1 healer. Watch. We don't really need anything. Because he's gonna destroy everything else. Guys, stop spamming the channel. You're annoying. Guys, it is just someone that made a troll account. Did you see this dumbass clown playing your game? What you talking about, man? You're banned for 5 minutes. See you later, Mr. Shade 11. Bye. Someone is actually playing it, Cakes? Sure, brother. Hey, destroy them! Destroy them! Boom, boom! Aha! Good. I mean, it's fine. We leak on the other side. That's okay. We don't need that side anyways. Now it begins. Lady, can you start healing, please? You're actually getting on my nerves. Uh-huh. It's a real player. Guys, it's not a real player. It's someone that's made a troll account. It's a real player. Guys, it's not a real player. It's someone that's made a troll account. It's a real player. Guys, it's not a real player. It's someone that's made a troll account. It's a real player. Great stream, 10 hours. Yeah. So, how come he's watching me then, huh? See, I told you. It's like someone of you made a troll account. Stop lying, bro. I know exactly what you're talking about. Hey. Hey, press 2, man. Okay, good. See, like, we're winning. I just had to reroll like 1,000 times. But we're winning now, guys. Look. I mean, never mind. We lose. The walks are insane. Okay, never mind. Okay, that's all. It's over. GG's. But hey, we almost won. Oh god, these are... They're bad. Goodness. He's following since 2023? And you call him a troll? Yeah, I guess why, huh? Guess why? I think he's a real random stream fan streaming it. No, I doubt it. I doubt it. I'll prove it to you again. Where's the link? I'll prove it to you. I don't want to hear myself. Videos? No videos found. Ah. Why is there no videos then? If it's someone that's actually streaming. You greeted Happy Rosenrold multiple times? Oh, what is he typing here? Yeah, my man, hello, how you doing, bro? Cause it's the first time, I appreciate it, man, bro. I mean, maybe I'm wrong here. I kind of look kind of dumb right now. I hope you're enjoying the game, bro. I guess. It's great, yeah. Getting flamed in his first stream, sad. Yo, my man, I appreciate it a lot. Can you can you go into the settings so I can watch the VOD later? How difficult is it for you so far? I appreciate it a lot. This guy talking? He's probably not talking right. Can you go into the settings so I can watch the VOD later? How difficult is it for you so far? I appreciate it a lot. Oh no, not in the game settings. In like stream settings. You can make it so that VODs get publicly saved. Aha! Message deleted. Oh, I can click on that? Oh, never mind. I don't know how to do that, to be honest. Followed you? You got followed by these guys? Oh, wait. 10 days ago? Wait a minute. No, you go into... I have no idea. I think it's the settings. Not here. You go into like normal settings to the left. And I think it's either, let me check stream. Yeah. You go into settings on the left, then stream, and then don't show the stream key. Scroll down to VOD settings. Store past broadcasts. Yeah. And then for you, it's 7 days, I guess. Yeah, for affiliates, it's 14, and then for partners, it's 60. Yeah. That would be awesome. Thank you, man. Hope you're enjoying the game. Fucking fly, piss off. Awesome. Really cool. Yeah, it's something for me to watch to see where the game needs fixing. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be struggling in level 2. I think you already are, right? Yeah, it's a difficult level. Oh, that's awesome. Really cool. I didn't think that would be an actual person. I thought this was like some troll, but I guess not. Cool. Type ban Cakez in chat. Okay. Has followers from this month, yeah. So I guess he streamed before, but he didn't know that he could like store the VODs. Is Cakez distracting us now from him copying the first biome in the time it took to produce 7 Bloons versions? What you talking about, bro? Bloons 7 is not even out. Is this guy dumb? Cakez getting old, yeah. Anyways, I'll watch the VOD later then. Hopefully it actually does it now. After the stream, hopefully. Because it might not do this for this stream. But we have to read something. Really cool. Let's see. Let's watch a bit. He's putting all of them in the one place. I would so do fixed positions, guys. Uh-oh. Oh, he's leaking. It's so hard, man. God damn, the game's so... Wait, but did she... Wait, you're not supposed to delete your characters, bro. What you doing? Wait, do you pre-play? No, there's no pre-placed characters in this. That's right. Oh, it's getting better. 16. Oh, I hate that. It burns my soul every time I see someone deathballing. Guys, we will have to do something about that. It's a strategy that's valid, you know, it works. So, bro, how did you reach level 4 already, like so fast? Wait, you're not using any abilities, are you?
Code formatted.
Man, you're losing. Holy. Game's hard as hell. Bitch. For people that don't know. That's crazy how difficult the game is. God damn. I didn't know it was so difficult. I'll send you lists on how to fix the death ball. Uh-oh, he's losing. Oh. God damn, the game's hard. I didn't realize. I like fixed position, but here in this chat you have many haters. Yeah, because they don't know what you're talking about, because they're dumb. That's essentially how it is, man. They do not realize that fixed positioning is actually a really good thing for the game. Makes you think, makes you use your brain. You can see casuals play. So we back to developing replay system, Cakez? No. He's already very smart in positioning the archers. I like it. And he has a free item, which is nice. Could have picked the bow though, but yeah, he's doing good now. Now that's a valid strategy. My man is learning. Hey, maybe the game's easy. Oi. Cloud, what did you type? You're so lucky that you're in a chat where I can't ban you, bro. Damn, that's awesome. Okay, let's watch him until he loses or wins. One of the two. He's already in 3 out of 8 and he's doing much better than the first time. I saw him. Wow, he's smashing this now. Dude, you're doing a good job, bro. See, I told you guys, it's the items and the investment. And now he's... Oh, he's strategically using the oranges to defeat the enemies. Uh-oh. He's gonna run out, bro. He's gonna run out. Ah, it's gone. Yeah, it has a timer, my friend. Damn. This guy's doing good. Bloons 7 is Bloons. Listen, okay, I count Bloons differently. I thought you meant Bloons TD 7, and that doesn't exist yet. You gotta block them. You gotta block them. You gotta block them. You gotta block them. Bro, you gotta block them. You gotta block them. Good. Oh, yeah. Look at this guy fucking using the merging item system. Ooh, he's gonna get 2 stars now if it is not leaking more. Uh-huh. Excuse me. Yeah, that's a big wave. But I think you can beat it because this guy is really strong. Oh, Enex, stop spamming emotes. Yeah, right, bro. Get out of there, bro. Some devs are afraid to backseat players. What do you mean, man? I'm not backseating him at all. I mean, he kinda is spreading out. Naturally. Maybe I don't need fixed positions. I don't know. He's gonna win this map for sure. Yeah, I mean the one giving 10% range costing 50 and then the glass giving 10% range and costing 35 kinda sucks. Cakez, releaser of 0 games, player of hentai games, 6 years developing, 0 gains. You're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, 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 wrong. You're totally wrong, bro.
I don't like self-promoting stuff, so if I receive downvotes or this gets removed, I can totally understand that.
Cakez pisser.
However,
okay, I'm gonna pause your daily notification and I'm gonna ban you for 10 minutes. That was 16, don't care. Counts. I misclicked on purpose. Goodbye. See you in 16 minutes. I'm gonna react now anyway, so stream's over for you, boy. See you tomorrow, asshole. Oh, look at him! Smashing the... Oh, wait, wait. There's a big wave incoming. But he's prepared, is he? I think he is.
Hello, Cakez.
No, he's the toxic person. I'm not toxic at all, bro. What you talking about? I mean, you could put the... Yeah, I mean, I'm not talking. I'm not saying anything.
Am I so
He's
out
already
of touch?
winning. I don't need to help him at all.
No.
He's already
why
winning.
hasn't just subscribed.
He won, guys. Guys, stop spamming the Queso channel, the false one. I think it's like Shady Levels channel or something. Guys, I'm gonna ban you for spamming. Stop. Rico spammed it too. Goodbye. Stop. Okay, what is he getting here? What does he stop? No, okay, so great. You won. I apologize. Congratulations. Really cool, bro. Good luck with the boss. Yeah, you're gonna try this for a while, bro. Fun. We need to talk about Gnomes now, guys. I want to talk about the game because it's awesome that these guys got so successful. Let's see here. Let's take a quick geezer on Bean Beasts for a second again. Let's get better. Still 62 people playing. That's awesome. 43 nap. 60 now. So hopefully when I look at this tomorrow, this graph has gone up even further. That would be great. That's been Beast. And by the way, the game released with a wishlist count of about 7,000. The game started here, barely getting any wishlists, and then this is very likely the part where he showed the game to Asmongold on his Pixel pitch. For those of you who remember, I watched that too. And yeah, he's gained really a lot of traction from that, and ever since then, slowly but surely it's been getting some stuff here and there. And now he's over 7,000 wishlists on release. And about 60 players on the first day after 6 hours of releasing the game for a, I would call it somewhat unknown game. Lol boy, I'm talking. You did that on purpose, I know. But now the game I want to talk about is not this one. I want to talk about Gnomes. Steam. And then we have Gnomes. Reddit. Story, I guess. Did we? Where is it? Do you guys remember the Gnome story we read? Me, female, I'm a boyfriend's sister. Filled my yard. What are you? Gnomes. A game. Huh? The game, bro. The story of Gnomeo. What the hell? Maybe he links to the Reddit thread. Surely he links to the Reddit thread, right? No. Posting relevant Reddits. The demo for my roguelike was just approved. Prince Seeker. By Steam. Posts. Let's see. Ah! Here. I think this is it. How to market a game. No, wait. That's the one. No. My game just received the 1,000th reviews. I missed my chance to screenshot it. Yeah, we saw that. I've been gnomed. My game just reached overwhelmingly... Yeah, we read this one. No problem. No engine, no problem. That's the important part. That's the context we need for this. In order to do this properly. Cakez think you should reach out to the Bean Beast guys and collaborate. You're both similarly sized devs with the same genre. Would be fun to exchange your wisdoms. Maybe. Like do a podcast or something, like an interview. I already want to interview one guy, and I will reach out. Yes, but in like 1 or 2 months. I have the big backlog of games I promise people to play, and I have another guy that wanted to do like some sort of interview type. I'm gonna reach out to him first, and then when most of the things are done, then I'll start doing these things again. Yeah, I'll be busy in 1 to 2 months. Sorry. That's not you who made the game, bro. Why does he only have one? No, he has 6 reviews. He has 6 now. This is out of date. No, here. The reviews are here. He's got 6 now. I wonder, let's see. Actually, I'm curious about the reviews. Any negative ones? No. You can pet the frog. 1.6 hours, 0.9 hours. Only scratch the surface. Promising will play more. Received for free. Okay, so those that received their product for free do not count. So unfortunately, so far, well, he only has 4 reviews. I told you again, I'm not gonna play the game today, maybe tomorrow. It depends on how much time I have. Already went over time today, so we kinda in a hurry. So, you know what? You can pet animals, wholesome 100. Yeah, I mean, Like, if you want my honest opinion on that, I think that's totally not important at all. But hey, if you can, that's cool. Maybe I'm just like a tried and true gamer. But hey. Why's the number of reviews so low compared to purchases? Because most people don't really care to review. Let me think. Can we pet the changes? Let me think, guys. I think here's what we're gonna do, guys. No, something else. I think it's better if I stop here. We have a good run. We can keep going, but time-wise it won't fit for me. I have too much to do. And if I make it too long again, then I will be out of time. I think it's better. I need to be more smart about my time. I should have structured the stream better. I should have probably done this in the beginning. Then do the coding. Yeah, I should have done it better. The reason for that is I have too many things to do. And if I stream too long, then it'll just pile up again. And yeah, I'm running out of space on my hard drive. So this has gotten a bit better since yesterday. I deleted some stuff here, but look at that. It's not looking good. So I need to deal with that too and work. So what I'll do is we'll do this first thing tomorrow. We'll look at Gnomes. I find that interesting, like the entire thing. They earned almost 400k. Then I'll also give you some context from this post. Ask me anything, because there was really important stuff in here. One of the most important things is the guys that made this game, yes, they spent 10 months, but before that, they spent 5 years doing something else. They spent 5 years learning how to make games before they could make commercially viable products. Yeah. And that needs to be taken into account. So I think I want to bring home a good point, and I need more time for that than to like make it really fast now. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Hope you had fun today. Thank you guys for the incredible support. Hope you had fun. And keep making games, my brothers. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Peace. I'll send you over to Toggle Bit. Peace.